The 2026 Audi Q8 e-tron is more than just another electric SUV. It's Audi's statement that electric luxury can be bold, refined, and futuristic all at once. When you first see it, you instantly notice the presence it carries. The design feels unmistakably Audi, but with sharper sophistication. The massive single-frame grille is now fully enclosed, subtly redesigned with illuminated accents that give it a futuristic edge. The sleek LED matrix headlights adapt intelligently to road conditions, while the rear old light bar creates that signature Audi glow that looks almost alive at night. Every curve and crease of the Q8 e-tron has been aerodynamically optimized, from its sculpted hood to the smooth rear diffuser, allowing it to cut through air effortlessly and improve range efficiency. Move to the side, and you can't miss those muscular wheel arches housing up to 22-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels, hinting at its performance potential. The proportions are perfectly balanced, bold enough for an SUV, yet elegant like a grand tourer. Even the door handles are flush-mounted for minimal drag and maximum sophistication. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by what can only be described as electric luxury. The cabin is a masterclass in minimalism and craftsmanship. High-quality, sustainable materials, soft-touch finishes, sustainable ambient lighting, all come together to create an environment that feels both futuristic and comforting. The dual touchscreen setup, along with Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, gives you complete control at your fingertips. Everything feels intuitive, from navigation to climate control, and voice commands now respond more naturally than ever. Before Audi has also equipped the 2026 Q8 e-tron with an advanced virtual cockpit display that's crisp, vibrant, and fully customizable. It delivers real-time information such as range, energy consumption, and navigation overlays. The heads-up display adds another layer of convenience, projecting vital details right onto the windshield so your focus stays on the road. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Q8 e-tron packs a powerful, dual-motor setup that delivers Quattro all-wheel drive as standard. Power output varies depending on the trim, but the performance version pushes close to 500 horsepower, allowing this luxury SUV to sprint from 0 to 60 in just about 4.3 seconds. The acceleration feels smooth and instant, that signature EV punch that's both silent and satisfying. Audi has improved battery efficiency for 2026, giving the Q8 e-tron a real-world range of up to 325 miles on a single charge, thanks to its 170 kilowatts DC fast charging capability. You can recharge from 10 to 80% in just around 30 minutes at compatible stations. The regenerative braking system is also smarter now, automatically adjusting levels based on driving style and traffic conditions, helping you squeeze out every mile of efficiency. Ride quality is where the Q8 e-tron truly stands apart. The adaptive air suspension seamlessly adjusts to road conditions, offering a plush, composed ride in comfort mode and tighter handling in dynamic mode. Whether you're cruising through city streets, tackling twisty mountain roads, or gliding along highways, the Q8 e-tron feels balanced, confident, and almost eerily quiet inside. Cabin insulation is phenomenal. Audi has used acoustic glass and noise-canceling technology to make sure that outside chaos never interrupts the serenity. Inside, tech lovers will appreciate the suite of driver assistance. Features everything from adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist to automated parking and a 360-degree camera system. There's even a predictive efficiency assistant that analyzes your route and driving patterns to optimize energy usage. Safety, as always with Audi, is uncompromising. Multiple radar and ultrasonic sensors create a digital safety net around the car, keeping passengers protected from every direction. Rear passengers aren't left behind either. There's abundant legroom, USB-C charging ports, optional climate zones, and panoramic glass that floods the cabin with natural light. The trunk space is generous for an EV of this size, and a front storage compartment adds a bit of practical utility, perfect for cables or smaller bags. But what really sets the 2026 Audi Q8 e-tron apart is how it manages to balance luxury, performance, and sustainability so effortlessly. It doesn't shout about being electric. It simply delivers an exceptional driving experience that happens to be a mission. You get the refinement of a flagship SUV, the performance of a sports car, and the conscience of an eco-friendly machine, all wrapped in one beautifully engineered package. In essence, the 2026 Audi Q8 e-tron is not just the future of Audi. It's the benchmark for what premium electric SUVs should feel like. It's elegant, yet powerful. It's futuristic, yet familiar. And it proves that going electric doesn't mean compromising on what makes driving special.